Assalamualaikum and hi. Okay, let's look at the first example for the total differential. Okay, we need to estimate using differentials the change in f. Okay, let's see here. The change in f, which means this one represent df. Okay, we just need to find df only. From the point 1.92, 3.01, given that fxy is equal to 3x squared minus 2xy plus ln x minus 1. Okay, so the solution would be the first one. We need to use the formula df is equal to fx x naught y naught dx plus fy x naught y naught dy. Since this is a function of two variables, so it's going to involve x and y only. Okay, next, you need to identify, okay, x naught, y and y naught. Okay, whatever given in the question here, in decimal, gonna be x and y. Okay, so therefore x equal to 1.92 and y is equal to 3.01. For x naught and y naught, we need to find the estimation, which is an integer, the closest integer. Okay, so the closest integer for 1.92 is 2. Okay, the closest integer for 3.01 is 3. Next, okay, we need to compute dx and dy. So right now, dx is equal to x minus s naught, which means here, x is 1.92 minus 2, we get dx equal to negative 0.08. Okay, and dy is y minus y naught, which means 3.01 minus 3, which is equal to 0.01. Okay, so we have dx and dy. Next, we need to calculate fx23 and also fy23, which means first, we need to actually compute fx. Okay, we have the function f equal to 3x squared minus 2xy plus ln x minus 1. So, differentiate this function with respect to x. Okay, we have 3x squared going to be 6x minus 2y plus this one differentiate using logarithmic rule, so it's going to be 1 over x minus 1. That's why I get this one for fx. 6x minus 2y plus 1 over x minus 1. Next, just substitute the value 2 and 3. 2 for x and 3 for y. Okay, and we have fx23 is equal to 7. Okay, after calculating. And then next, compute fy. So that means fy, we need to differentiate this function 3x squared minus 2xy plus x minus 1 with respect to y. Which means differentiate 3x squared with respect to y, there is no y in this term. That's why it is going to be, it will be 0. And next, for the second term, negative 2xy, differentiate with respect to y, it will be negative 2x. Okay, and for the third term, we don't have any terms of y. That's why it's going to be 0. Okay, so fy is equal to negative 2x. Substitute the value of 2 and 3, which means this is for x and this is for y. So we substitute the value of x only since there is no y in fy. Here, negative 2x, so negative 2 times 2 is equal to negative 4. And last, determine df. Okay, df using the formula earlier, which is df equal to fx 23 dx plus fy 23 dy, because x naught is equal to 2 and y naught is equal to 3. Okay, so fx 23 is equal to 7 times dx, which is negative 0.08 plus negative 4, fy is negative 4 here, and dy is 0.01. Okay, after calculating, we have the change in f, which is df is equal to negative 0.6. Okay, that's it for the first example. Thank you.